Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a responsive interactive accordion component in Figma. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to figma.com and log in to your Figma account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, click on one of the top right design to start a new project. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to make three components: the text, the question, and an icon. So, first would be the text or the question. Let's say, what is a tutorial? And then let's add another one, which would show the definition of the tutorial. Text. And then add a frame where we will add our icon. So another text. Let's say our icon would be a dash. And then we're going to adjust this to the middle. Then we're going to adjust our frame and align it with our question. Now, next step would be to select the question and our icon and make it a frame selection. And then we'll adjust our frame, or our text rather, and align it with our question. Now the three of these would be our component. So go to Actions, Create Component, and there. Next, we would add a variant. So right click here on the layers and add a variant. Then let's name this variant open, or rather close. And then let's name the second one open. What we're gonna do, on the close variant, we would hide the text. Okay, next, we'll go to prototype and we're gonna connect this to the other variant. On click, and then change to open, smart animate, and ease out. Now we're gonna add a frame, and then we're gonna add our component right here. And then let's see, present. Wait for a few moments. And as simple as that, we now have a functioning interactive accordion. Now, to add, we can also connect our open right here back to our close. What this would do is make it better. So, present again. And it can now be closed too. That's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!